Google makes some of the best Android phones around, and we have no reason to expect otherwise with the upcoming launch of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 8 Pro is closer than ever before, and now we have the exact date for the next Pixel device's launch event. Similarly, we got a fresh look at Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro devices in the sneak peek video that was released a few days ago. I've been aware that a lot of you are excited about the phone, so let's dive into it. The next Made by Google event is scheduled for October 4th, and it's expected that the Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro, Pixel Buds 2, and Pixel Watch 2 will all be announced at the event. Google has released several videos on its social media platforms teasing these devices, so it's clear that the company is excited to show them off. As we mentioned in our previous video, we can see the new camera bar design on the back of the Pixel 8 Pro device in these videos. The phone also has a new camera design, with a larger main sensor and a new ultrawide sensor. The Pixel 8 Pro is also rumored to have a new Tensor G3 chip from Google, which should provide significant performance and efficiency improvements. I got a quick question for you. Can the Pixel 8 Pro beat the iPhone 15 Pro Max camera? Let me know in the comments below. The Google Store website also shows upcoming devices range from October 4th on top. Teaser videos also mentioned that pre-orders will start on October 4th at the bottom of the video. Apart from that, Google already released the Pixel Watch 2 video to show off their newest smartwatch. We can't tell the differences by looking at the video, but surely, Google made some improvements under the hood of it. Let's wait for the launch event to get more details on that. I'm excited about the Pixel 8 Pro, and I can't wait to see what Google has in store for us at the launch event on October 4th. What are you most excited about in the Pixel 8 Pro? Let me know in the comments below. Let's see if the Pixel 8 Pro can beat the mighty S23 Ultra and all-new iPhone 15 Pro Max that was released a couple of days ago. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about the Pixel 8 Pro and other tech news. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.